Hi guys, we're going to make lemon cake pie. I'm going to be using a 9-inch pie shell for this. This is unbaked. You can also get a store-bought one if you want. So this pie has a pie filling on the bottom and a slightly cake-like layer on the top. And this is 1 cup of granulated sugar. And to this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and this is salted butter. I'm going to mix this together on medium speed. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and I used 1½ lemons to get this. 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and again I used 1½ lemons to get that. I'm going to mix this in on medium speed. So I've separated 3 eggs, and the egg whites went into another bowl, and the egg yolks I mixed up for about 15 seconds with a fork before adding it to this one. This is 1 cup of whole milk. I'm going to mix this all together now on medium speed. Okay, so I have my egg whites in a stand mixer, and I'm going to start off on a medium-low speed until they get frothy, and then I'm going to increase the speed, and I want kind of a soft but firm peaks. I'm going to gently fold this in now. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes, and I want the top to be golden brown and the center to be slightly jiggly. And then when it comes out, I'm going to go ahead and let it cool for 30 minutes. You can serve this warm or you can fridge. There's my lemon cake pie. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.